Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Netflix Kids profile settings, parental guide step by step clearly. Open the Netflix app on your TV, phone, tablet, or go to netflix.com on a computer. Sign in to the parent or main account that manages profiles. On a TV, move left to open the menu, then select your profile icon. On a phone or computer, tap or click your profile icon in the top right area. Choose Manage Profiles to see the list of all profiles. Select the kid's profile you want to update. Click or tap the pencil or edit icon to open profile settings. Change the profile name if you want it to be easier for your child to recognize. Select the profile image and choose a kids-friendly icon if needed. Look for the Maturity Settings or Viewing Restrictions section. If prompted, enter the account password to unlock parental controls. Choose a kid's maturity level such as little kids or older kids based on your child's age. Confirm the selected age rating so Netflix blocks content above that level. Find the option for profile lock if it is available on your device. Turn on profile lock to prevent kids from switching to adult profiles. Create a PIN that your child does not know and save it securely. Go to playback settings for this kid's profile. Set autoplay next episode to off if you want to limit binge watching. Set autoplay previews to off if you want fewer unexpected trailers. Return to the main account settings and open parental controls if you see it. Review the content restrictions to ensure the kid's profile is properly limited. Check if you can block specific titles and add any shows you do not want. Open language settings for the kid's profile if your child needs a different language. Set the preferred audio and subtitle language for easier understanding. Save changes and exit the profile edit screen. Open the kid's profile to test that the home screen shows only kid-appropriate categories. Search for a mature title to confirm it does not appear or cannot be played. Repeat the same steps for any other kids' profiles in your household. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.